Yes guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Thank you for the 2k followers on Instagram. I thought the 2k is a perfect chance for me to actually start my YouTube channel. Something I've been thinking about for a long time. So yeah, what I'm going to do is a little walk around my car, because a lot of you have been giving me DMs about where I got this, where I got that. And you know what, I really appreciate the love, the support, especially on my pictures. Some of them hitting high numbers, thank you for that. So yeah, for the walk around, I'm going to start from the front of the exterior, go back, talk about all the exhaust work, springs, wheels, and go into the interior, and then just show you my setup. Yeah. So yeah, on the front, I've done the basic B&W mods, blacked out double slack kidney grills. I got a lip kit. This is probably my third lip kit right now, and as you can see, it's actually damaged again. This one was from KSB, is version 1. As well as that, I've also got magnet plates, so when it comes to car meets, shows, I can literally just whack on and off my plates for pictures to make it look nice, but also keep these on just in case so I don't get pulled all the time. On top of that, I also got reflective blue bars, which I'll show up a little shot here of the one on the night time. Yeah, for the sides, I've done what I believe all B&W have, which is the M-style caps, finished in black, as well as the dynamic indicators. Makes a difference when you're at meets. Still does its job, which is quite sick. On top of that, I also got the KSB side skirts. I think it does like suit the car very nice. I wish I got it washed today, but it was raining. But yeah, as you can see, it does follow the lines of the car very nicely on the sides. So as we come around to the back, I've got the carbon carbon wing mirror, which I actually picked up for £40 off Facebook Market. Can't lie, it's a fat bargain I got there. Got tinted rear windows, other than my tinted side, which I forgot to mention. Shortened plates. I've got the standard 118 diffuser, but I've got a dual exit cutout. So it's not the actual M140 diffuser, it's actual 118 with a dual exit. The main difference is the M140 one all sits around here and here, where these ones are slightly wider. Then I also got the KSB slap speed on as well. We're going to talk about the wheels and the suspension setup. So I've got the standard M Sport wheels for the F20, but a lot of you know that I had the competition wheels on at one point, and they were sitting really nice. But I got bored of them and changed it back to the originals. On top of that, I'm running 15mm BMX spacers at the back and 12mm at the front, which give it a nice start. It's nothing too aggressive. As well as that, I've got H&R 35s in the rear, H&R 25s at the front. Proper harsh. But when I say it makes the car sit nicer and drive much better, it really does. Right guys, so the party piece is my actual LED neon setup. To be honest, I haven't seen another 1 series like this. Well, it probably is, but not as nice as my kit I got right now. I made a custom piece using 2 different sets, and I also got the LEDs behind the bars, the intercooler, the front, the side, and the rear, which I'm gonna do a little pan shot around for you right now. That exhaust note, I know you guys like it. I know a lot of you heard it at me popping and banging. Just want to say a shout out to Prestige Performance London. They done my tune on my car, bang it. I'd definitely say go there. So my exhaust setup, I've got a Decat custom made. It's not branded like Scorpion or nothing. Main reason being you can't get one with a 118. It's like a custom made one there. But I still got a mid box in, like right underneath that near the gearbox. I know a lot of you are surprised about that. I've got a red delete and a custom fat box delete with dual exit. Kind of mimicking the M140s, but kind of just like the symmetry in the rear. I know a lot of you say it sounds like a 135, 140, but it's not, literally a 118. I said it so many times to a lot of you. I know you don't believe me. But yeah, that's my exhaust setup. And like I said, I got it tuned by Prestige Performance London. It's a stage 2 Asbo pop and bang, sometimes flames. For that, all I needed was the intake and the exhaust, which is mainly the Decat. So yeah, definitely hit them up if you want any of that done. Exhaust work, KLR, they done the majority of the exhaust work for me, and other ones were random shops. I really just did the little bits and bobs. So right now I'm going to insert some clips for my pop and bangs, then we're going to move into the interior. Yeah, so I'm gonna start with the boot setup. I kept it quite simple for my car. I've got a Phat sub in there. I love my bass. So I've got a 12-inch sub and amp built in, vibe. And a lot of you F20, F21 owners, if you're struggling to like strap down your sub, literally get a piece of rope, tie it behind one of the seat hooks here, tie it around, and yeah, don't move. Then the next piece, which a lot of people like, is my starlights. Yeah, so that was my 380p Starlight kit. Twinkle, by the way, controlled by the remote again. I can control this twinkle speed, color, whatever you want to do in the remote. It's actually my first time doing Starlights, and I was on my actual car. A bit scared, but I've done it. It looks quite good. A lot of people do come to me asking me about it. So if you do want it done, hit me in the DMs. I can do it for majority of cars. So yeah, that was the Starlight. As well as Starlights, I also got ambient lights. Like the Starlights, it does really make a difference in the cars. It's something BMW should have done from factory, because as you can see, it does sit really OEM. Same thing again with the Starlights. First time doing it, first time on my car, took a risk. It come out really nice. Same thing, controlled RGB. It hasn't got a twinkle effect like Starlight does, but keeping it one color throughout the night really looks quite well. As well as that, I've also got the upgraded steering wheel, which is the paddle one. Most 118 autos don't come with this unless spec. Then I also got Alcantara trim done by Phat Bits, installed by myself. I went for a Nardo Grey 12 o'clock and Nardo Grey stitching. And many of you know that I felt the steering wheel, they said it feels really comfortable, really high quality stuff. So definitely hit up Phat Bits if you want trim done yourself. On top of that, I've also got tints all round, really helps with the privacy of the car. And on the front, I've got Chameleon tints. You won't really be able to tell during this lighting, but can you see the shimmer rainbow effect going across the windshield? I'll pop up a picture right now showing you what it looks like during the day, during the night. It looks proper, spot on. Makes the car stand out. So that is my car, walked around, giving you every little detail on what I could have. I'm actually going to drop you a little, mod list I've done throughout the car, which includes servicing, brake changes, any replacements I made on the car. Give you a rough price estimate of what it costs to actually do this car. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video. Any more updates, I'll keep you posted. But yeah, I hope you really enjoyed the video. Like, comment and subscribe, help your boy out. Yeah, we're trying to take over this thing, you get me? So yeah, thanks.